Quartz pottery is one of the most durable and mesmerizing kinds of pottery. Because quartz is one of the hardest materials there is, with a Mohs score of 7/10, its solidity is outstanding. 5-century-old quartz tiles still decorate the walls of the famous Topkapi Palace and many mosques in Istanbul, such as the famous Blue Mosque. The production process is completely by hand. Each piece is handled tens of times with respect to its crafting, designing, and painting. Unlike regular clay, quartz stone paste is difficult to mold because it is not sticky. Creating three-dimensional forms such as vases and jars necessitates the highest level of craftsmanship.